Oh yeah, I remember this, guys. Growing up as a child, my mom would take all the ripe bananas and make banana croquettes. So today, we're gonna make chocolate covered banana fritters. So we got the cinnamon right here, guys. This is one of the best cinnamons to use because it's the closest to the real thing. Now we're gonna use some spelt organic flour. Mash up your bananas, guys. I'm only using one banana. You can use two, but it's better to use one. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that cinnamon, put our spelt flour in there. Alright guys, and now we're gonna add some baking powder. Alright guys, the recipe is in the description below or on vegankingzworld.com. We're gonna put some Himalayan salt, some ground nutmeg. Alright guys, we gotta put everything in there and mix it up real good. And we're gonna use this new milk. It's so good, guys. It's banana milk, but it doesn't taste too much like bananas. Alright, so I'm gonna pour that in there to give it some type of moisture to bind it together. Alright guys, so now we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna add some vanilla, some chia seeds. Alright, now we're gonna mix that baby together. Remember, the chia seeds is acting as an egg replacement. Alright guys, so we're gonna mix, add some oil. Now there's a method to this, guys. Just play with it, you know, and make it come out neatly and nicely. Plat-ow. There goes your banana croquettes. Alright guys, don't forget, like, share. Peace.